drummers, Jessica here. This song is called Circle of Life, and in this song we are going to work on strengthening our core muscles right here in our tummy. We're going to work our chest, and we're also going to work our arms. Alright, so let's start with a nice little pattern on the drum. Get nice and low. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going side, click, side, 4. Again, go 1, 2, 3, 4, side, up, side, 4. A little faster. 2, 3, 4, side, up, side, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, side, up, side. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, side, up, side, 4. Good job. All right, so let's start our first core strengthening exercise. Let's go ahead and put our drumsticks to the side. We're going to do something called a plank hold. So let's start on our knees. I want your hands right under your shoulders. Straighten them out as much as you can. Now slowly start to straighten your legs. And now we're just on our toes, and we want to keep our back nice and straight. So we are engaging our core muscles here, our tummy muscles, sucking our belly button into our spine. Good, and we're just gonna breathe here and hold this pose while our muscles do all the work here. Hold this here for a couple more seconds with me. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead, drop those knees. Now we're gonna work those arms out. We're gonna do 5 push-ups. So you can take those hands just a little bit wider. You could either do these on your knees or on your toes again, and we're gonna do 5 push-ups. Here we go. There's 1. There's 2. Good. Lead with your chest. And we got 1 more. You could do this, drummers. And 1. Drop those knees. Go ahead, grab your drumsticks for me again. Let's get back behind our drum, nice and low. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Side, up, side, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side, up, side. Little faster now. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Side, up, side, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side, up, side, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side, up, side, 4. All right, let's go into our next set of exercises here. So it's just like a plank, but they're called mountain climbers. So we're going back down in that position, knees first, hands right under your shoulders, up on your toes. Now we're gonna start driving those knees towards our face. There we go, do a couple nice and slow. And let's go ahead, speed it up. There we go, just like we're climbing a mountain. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. All right. Now let's up the ante, and we're going to do 6 push-ups now. Hands a little bit wider. Again, you could do these on your knees. I'll do them on my knees with you. Here we go. Going 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and 1. Good work, drummers. Let's come all the way on up. Grab those drumsticks. Let's get nice and low. 1, 2, 3, 4, side, up, side, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, side, up, side, 4. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, side, up, side, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, side, up, side, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Good job, drummers.